Hey everybody, we're going to show you today how to take your bathroom vanity with countertop and the base and totally transform it in one day. It's amazing with our Schnubs product, our paint. It goes over these countertops nicely and the cabinet. You'll be amazed at how smooth it is, how nice it is. So I'm going to show you all that now. First off, with the countertop, you're going to remove your faucet and your drain so that you can make sure to get all of these areas painted and sanded and prepped and painted. So, take your countertop off. Okay, so what we want to get rid of is this sheen so that the paint has something to adhere to. So we're just use a 220 grit on our orbital sander and get rid of all of that shine, and it gets rid of some of this gunk too that's been built up over the years on your faucet and your drain. Alright, so after you've sanded it, give it a wipe down to get rid of any dust, and you're ready to paint. And we're going to use a black paint here. Okay, make sure when you paint this, you want it to be nice and wet. So you can take at least 2 coats, but you make sure your roller has plenty of paint on there. Little tip for your drain areas is just throw a little paint in there and then smooth it out a bit. That'll keep it from, that'll make sure that it makes a seal with the paint so that it doesn't catch on any edges and chip and peel over time. So just gonna dab a little paint in there and seal it off. And that's all I have to say about that. While your paint's drying, you don't have to wash out your roller. Put in a little Ziploc bag. So after this is dried for about 30 minutes, then you're ready to take your sponge sander and you want to sand it all smooth. There'll be some little raised spots in here. You want to sand that smooth before your second coat. Ready for a second coat? Yeah, baby. So after you've done your first coat, sanded it, second coat, sanded it, now I'm going to do a final coat, but I'm going to spray it rather than roll it or brush it on there this time. After you're finished doing all your color coats, for countertops and these hard dense surfaces, we recommend use our sealer coat as well. So once this is dry in about 30 minutes, I'm going to put a sealer coat over the top of this, and then you have to make sure to let it sit untouched for 7 days to fully cure. You dry to the touch, but don't use it for 7 days. Now this goes on milky, but it dries clear. So don't panic when it comes out of the gun or on your roller and it's this milky grossness. It dries clear. Alright, that's it. There you have it. One of the best parts is it's a water-based product, and so you can clean it out just with water. Let's just do this. Whee! Whee! Kidding. Shove it up.